guys, I want to bring to you another core Montessori lesson, and that is working with our Montessori work rugs. The Montessori work rug creates a definite space that the child can work within. So whatever job they take off the shelf, they put within the rug, and that is their workspace for that moment. We treat the rugs with a great deal of respect, and rolling a rug and carrying the rug have their own separate lessons. So I wanted to show you rolling a rug because this is something you can do at home. If you don't have a Montessori rug, that's totally fine. If you have like a little mat, if you have a towel that you can lay down so the kids can work on, same thing. But we want to treat it with respect and roll it up nice and neat. So I'm going to show you how that lesson goes. To start out with, I'm going to move to this side of our rug. And I'm going to position myself right here to where I can grab this edge of the rug, and I'm going to start rolling it. And there is a little song that you can do to kind of keep a pace as you're rolling and make it a little bit more fun. And it goes like this. Roll, 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 tuck, tuck. 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 And as I'm rolling, I'm kind of smoothing it out, patting the edges. So let's continue. Roll, 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 tuck, tuck. Okay, and then when I'm ready to carry my rug, I carry it two-handed, just like this. And I'm gonna place it back in the basket where I found it, or if it's a towel or a mat, you can place it wherever you found it. And that is rolling a Montessori rug.